this is a microphone, and this is an old microphone that I bought a few years ago when I was attempting to do a let's play back then, way before I start no, I mean way before I started my first ever let's play in my other YouTube channel. So yeah, please subscribe to that. Anyway, this microphone is super cheap and it sucks so bad. So I was wondering, I watched a video from DIY Perks where he salvaged a microphone from a laptop, and he added this tiny little thing. It's a preamp, and I got curious. So I'm curious, like, if I add this preamp to this mic, will it work better than the one that I'm using currently, which is this microphone right here, which the BM800. It's a condenser microphone, fairly decent price, although it does need some phantom power or like an audio interface. So yeah, we're gonna try do some experiment today, so let's go.
First off, I'ma record something on my BM800 just so we have some baseline to refer to. I'm using Audacity and I'm not gonna modify the sound in any way. So, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is the BM800 microphone being recorded in Audacity. Now, if you notice, the peaks are very tiny. Now, I can hear myself properly when I listen to this, but maybe it's because it doesn't have phantom power. I'm only using a USB sound card for this microphone, so yeah, that might be the reason why. And yeah, so this is going to be our baseline for this video experiment thing. Okay, for starters, this preamp is called MAX9814, and I'm pretty sure this was the one that DIY Perks used on his microphone. Anyway, I don't really have any qualms in butchering this old microphone because I'm not using it. So let me just cut the wires here and separate the microphone. I also cut the wire near the 3.5 jack and strip the wires there. I rewired the microphone back to the main wire and let me solder the other end on the preamp. Sorry, the camera is a bit far away. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a zoom function. I'll make note of this for future videos. It's actually quite hard without those clamp thingies, but I don't want to spend much money on experiments. Maybe I'll make one instead for a video project someday. After some time finagling with this, I finally soldered the wire, but now I have to finagle with the mic because the wire came off. Trying to solder the wire with the 3.5 jack there, like so. Now we need a USB cable. I have heaps of sacrificial USB cables here that suits my needs. Solder it there, and here we are. I added some hot glue on the solder so that they will be protected from the elements. This might not be such a good idea. Well, time to test if this works. Since this is a post narration, it means that I already tested this, and I'm gonna warn you to lower your volumes because this ain't going to be a pretty sound. Okay, well, that did not work as I expected. I wonder if there's something wrong with the mic. I'm pretty guilty because I butchered the mic a bit by pressing it with a plier. Anyway, I have a backup mic here from a headset which I broke because I'm dumb. Okay, went in and soldered the new mic. Let's test it in Audacity. Oh my god, it's painful to the ears. What is wrong with this? I'm pretty sure I followed the video properly. I'm gonna have one more go at this, and this time I'm just gonna replace all the wires except for the USB cable. I'm even gonna replace the jack with this thing. Okay, here goes nothing. Hello? Testing. Oh man,
look at those pics, it's horrible. I don't know what I'm doing wrong with this anymore. Yeah, I tried changing the wires. This is the first when I changed the entire wires and even the jack, but nothing is still working, unfortunately. So yeah.
Okay, so I honestly am running out of ideas of what to do with this thing. I at least managed to able to get my voice heard in this microphone, but unfortunately the sound is still not possible as it has so many ear scratching noise. It's not pretty. So yeah, unfortunately I don't know what I did wrong. If you knew something, if you found this video and you know something what I did wrong, let me know in the comments, in the description, what? Let me know in the comments down below. So yeah, I'm open for ideas and I might revisit this thing someday, because it's a shame because I bought this. It's pretty pricey, if I may say so myself, so I don't want to waste this thing away. So yeah, anyway, that's it for this video for now. Thank you so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Bye!